You're tired of a sideways market? Well, have no fear. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some major profit in a sideways market. Most people are either bears or bulls. There's not too many crabs in the market. In reality, 90% of the time, the market is sideways. 5% is scary, and 5% of the time, it is euphoric. 90% of the time, it is sideways. So I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on that sideways action. Now, this is an intermediate to advanced technique. Also, if you know anything about stock options, this is a good technique for you too, because you'll have a really good understanding. In order to do this, head over to KuCoin Dual Investment. On the left are the assets that you can do. In all these scenarios, you would have the asset and you're predicting that they won't go up so high, and if they do, you'll sell it. On the right is UST, and you will buy it if it goes below a certain price. Let me show you how this works. So let's say I have some Bitcoin, but I think it's just gonna range for the next few days. So we're gonna click on one day, and by 4 o'clock tomorrow, I could pick one of these prices that I believe it will not go above. I'm kind of conservative, so let's say 29,500. That would get you 11.37%. You could be more aggressive and get higher yield, but I'm going to be conservative. Now, in this particular case, best case scenario, it stays below 29,500. I would then receive my Bitcoin back plus the 11.5% APY. Now, worst case scenario, it goes above 29,500. You're just forced to sell it at that price, which I don't think is the worst thing in the world anyway, to take profit. But this strategy gets even better because you can do it on both sides of the coin at the same time. So we already set up this particular one at 29,500. We don't think it's going to go above 29,500 by this time tomorrow. Now, let's say you click on this one. Now, in this particular case, I have USDT, and within one day, I don't believe it's going to go below, let's say, $26,000. Again, very conservative. I would receive about 13% APY in this scenario if it stays above 26,000. Now, worst case scenario, I'm just forced to buy Bitcoin at 26,000 if it goes below there, which I don't think is, again, the worst thing in the world. However, if I were able to do both of these at the same time, and between now and tomorrow at 4 o'clock, if Bitcoin doesn't go above 29,500 or below 26,000, I would receive both APYs on both of them. As always, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't believe this is a beginner level technique. Also, the more you go out, so in this particular case, 7 days, the more of a price buffer you're gonna get. So you could go as low as 24,000, which I think there's a huge bit of support at 25,000. Follow me for more, yes savages.